this is given equation in one variable. So we have to solve this equation. That means you have to find the value of variable x. So for this equation, what we can do? So first we can take all the terms with variable on the one side of the equation and all the terms without the variable on the another side of the equation. So taking this x by 3 on the left hand side and this minus 1 by 4 on the right hand side. So it will be x by 2, this will be minus x by 3, and this is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. Now this is the terms, these are the terms with variable x and these are the terms without any variable. So now here we simplify this term by cross multiplication. You can solve this term by using LCM or by using cross multiplication. That is very same method. So cross multiply, it's a 3x minus 2x, 3x minus 2x. You have to multiply this 3 with this x, 2 with this x, and again you have to multiply this denominator, 3 2s are 6. That is equal to here 5 1s are 5, cross multiplication, 4 1s are 4, divide by 5 4s are 20. This is known as cross multiplication. So here simplification, 3x minus 2x, which is x by 6, equal to 5 plus 4, 9 by 20. So find the value of x. Take this 6 on the right hand side, it is in division, so it will go into multiplication. So x equal to 9 by 20 into 6. Therefore our answer x equal to 2 3s are 2 10s are 9 3s are 27 by 10, or you can say x equal to 2.7 is the solution of this given equation. Clear, students? Then question number 2, second question. Here we are given that n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 equal to 21. So for this equation our variable is n, power of variable n is 1, so it's a linear equation. So all the terms with variable n on the same side of the equal to, and the right side is the term without any variable. So for the simplification of these three terms, we have to take LCM of these 2, 4 and 6. Taking LCM of these 2, 4 and 6, so LCM is 12. So you have to multiply all these term with 12. ऐसा समझ में नहीं आता है तो आप LCM 12 लिखो. Then multiply these 2 with any number to get 12. So it's a 2 6 are 12. So you have to multiply that 6 in numerator. So it's a 6 into n. Similarly here 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 3 3s are 9. So it's a 9n plus 6 2s are 12. So it's a 10n equal to 21. So 10n plus 6n, 16n minus 9n. So it's a 7n by 12 equal to 20. So here we are getting n equal to 21 by 12. N equal to 21. 21. This 12 is going to multiplication. This 7 comes into the division. है ना 12 ये ऊपर न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा, ये 7 डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा. 7 3s are 21. So here we are getting value of n. 12 3s are 36. So n equal to 36 is the solution of this given equation. सपोज आपको ऐसे नहीं करना है ना, तो आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो डायरेक्ट. दिस इज गिवन 2 4 and 6. So LCM of 2 4 6 is 12. So you have to multiply all these terms with 12. So multiply this one with 12, this one with 12, this and this, all 4 terms with 12. So it's a 2 6 are 12. So it's a 6n minus 4 3s are 12. So it's a minus 3 3s are 9n plus 6 2s are 12, 2 5s are 10n equal to 12 into 21, so 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24 plus 1, 252. So it's a 10n plus 6n, 16 minus 9n, 7n equal to 252. So n equal to 252 by 7. 7 3s are 21, 4, 7 6 are 42. So again we are getting n equal to 36 is the answer. क्लियर? सो आपको जो भी मेथड में आपको इजी लगे वो मेथड से आप इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हो. नाउ थर्ड वन, थर्ड इक्वेशन. सो हियर वी आर गिवन x plus 7 minus 8x by 3. x plus 7 minus 8x by 3. This is equal to 17 by 6. 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. So here total 5 terms are given. So we are considering all the terms with x on the same side of equal to and taking remaining terms on the right hand side of the equal to. So here x is there plus minus 8x by 3 is there plus 5x by 2 is there, that is equal to 17 by 6 minus 7, taking this plus 7 on the right hand side, so it's a minus 7. So here nothing is there, so 1 is there denominator. So in denominator 1, 3 and 6 are there. Here in denominator 6 and 1 is there. For this simplification of this left hand side, the LCM of 1, 3 and 2 is 6. 1 6 are 6, so it's a 6x minus 3 2s are 6, 2 8s are 16x. 16x, 2 3s are 6, 3 5s are 15x. Done. So here LCM is 6, 6 1s are 6, so it's a 17. 1 6 are 6 7s are 42. So this one minus 16 plus 15, so minus x, 6x minus x, so it's a 5x by 6 equal to this one 17 minus 42. So what is 42 minus 17? 12 minus 7, 5, it's a 25 minus 25. Therefore our x equal to, this 6 will go into multiplication, so minus 25 into 6 by 5, 5 5s are 25. So our solution x equal to 6 5s are minus 30. X equal to minus 30 is the solution of this given equation. X equal to minus 30. चलो -5 आ रहा है, क्या मिस्टेक की? 6 था ना, सो 6 6 कट, ये भी एक 6 जाएगा, ये भी कट, तो इट्स अ -5. क्लियर? डिनोमिनेटर 6 was there, so 6 6 cut, so 5x equal to minus 25, so minus 25 by 5, 5 5s are 25, so our answer is x equal to -5. Clear students? So pause the video to note it down. We are given that x minus 5 upon 3, that is equal to x minus 3 by 5. Done. So you have to solve this equation. So here only two terms are there. So for this type of equation we can directly apply our cross multiplication method. How? This 5 will multiply with this x minus 5 and this 3 will multiply with this x minus 3. So cross multiplication is there. So this is nothing but the 5 into x minus 5 and this is equal to 3 into x minus 3. अभी यहाँ पर बहुत सारे बच्चे पूछेंगे सर ये डिनोमीटर में 3 और 5 15 लिखना था मल्टीप्लिकेशन, वो कहाँ चला गया, है ना? अभी लास्ट समय तो हमने डिनोमीटर में मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके लिखा था, तो यहाँ पर क्यों नहीं लिखा? देखो क्या हुआ यहाँ पर, इसका अलग से सिंप्लीफिकेशन देखो. हियर डिनोमीटर 3 and 5 इज देयर, सो एलसीएम ऑफ 3 and 5 इज 15. यस, so LCM is 15, you have to multiply both the term with 15, तो यहाँ पर 15 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, यहाँ से 15 मल्टीप्लाई करो, तो क्या होगा देखो, 3 5 ज़ा 15, सो 5 इंटू एक्स माइनस 3, 5 3 ज़ा 15, 3 इंटू एक्स माइनस 3, कट, ऐसे डिनोमिनेटर कट हो गया. सो नाउ हियर परफॉर्म एक्सपांशन, इट्स अ 5x माइनस 5 5 ज़ा 25, this is 3x, 3 3 ज़ा minus 9. Now keeping these terms with variable x on the same side of the equal to and terms without any variable on the another side of the equation. So this is 5x minus 3x equal to minus 9 plus 25. So this is 5x minus 3x, which is 2x, and this is 25 minus 9, so it is 16. So here x is in multiplication, so it will go into division. So we are getting value of x, 2 8 ज़ा 16. So x equal to 8 is the solution of our equation. Clear students? Now next question, question number 5. So fifth question is given. So here we are given that 3t minus 2, 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 divided by 3, and that is equal to 2 by 3 plus t. This is given equation. You have to solve this equation. This is the equation in variable x and this is the equation in variable t. So this equation कैसे करेंगे? 1 2 3 4 terms are there. So first we have to simplify the terms on the left hand side and the terms on the right hand side. Here t is there, so in denominator we can take 1 as LCM. 1 is the denominator. So first consider this left hand side, denominator 3 and 4 are there. So we can consider the LCM of this 4 and 3 as a 12. So perform cross multiplication. So it's a 3 into 3t minus 2 minus 4 into 2t plus 3 डिवाइड बाय 12 है ना. यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, यहाँ पर नहीं है क्योंकि ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन इक्वल टू के सामने था और यहाँ पर तो इक्वल टू एक ही साइड है, तो यहाँ पर डिनोमिनेटर में 12 आएगा. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू, हियर एलसीएम ऑफ दिस 3 and 1 is 3. सो मल्टीप्लाई दिस 3, सो क्या होगा, दिस इज 3, सो 3 1 ज़ा 3, सो 1 2 ज़ा 2 प्लस 3 into 3 is 3t. Now simplification on numerator, 3 3 ज़ा 90 minus 6 minus 4 2 ज़ा 80 minus 12 whole divided by 12, and this is equal to 2 plus 3t divided by 3. Now here 90 minus 80, so it's a t minus 80 divided by 12 equal to 2 plus 3t divided by 3. Now this is the same form which is given in sum number 4. Two terms are there, between equal to sign is there. So now cross multiply. So here why we are doing cross multiplication, because we are taking the LCM of this 12 and 3 as a 12. So here you have to multiply this one as a 12 and this term as a 12. So 12 12 cut, so it's nothing but the t minus 18. Here 3 4 are 12, so which is nothing but the 4 into 2 plus 3t. This is cross multiplication. Done. So here it's a t minus 18 equal to 4 2 are 8 plus 4 3 are 12t. Taking this t on the right hand side, 8 on the left hand side. So it's a minus 18 minus 8 equal to 12t minus t. So this is minus 26 equal to 11t. So you are getting t equal to minus 26 by 11. Let me verify the answer. So 2/3 minus t is there. 2/3 minus t is there. So it's a minus t. यहाँ पर भी माइनस, यहाँ पर भी माइनस, यहाँ पर भी माइनस, ये भी माइनस, तो ये भी माइनस, तो क्या होगा -20, ये भी माइनस, तो 13t, सो ये हो गया -13t, है ना. सो -26 इक्वल टू -13t. सो वी आर गेटिंग 26 इक्वल टू 13t. Therefore t equal to 26/13. 13 2 are 26. So our solution is t equal to 2. क्लियर. सो एग्जाम में भी आप जब क्वेश्चन पेपर में से आंसर बुक में क्वेश्चन कॉपी करते हो, अगर आपने ऐसे कर दिया मेरी जैसी मिस्टेक, तो आपका आंसर नहीं आएगा, है ना. तो एग्ज़ाम में भी आपको क्वेश्चन पेपर में से अपनी जो आंसर बुक है उसमें क्वेश्चन कॉपी करने के टाइम भी आपको पूरा एक्यूरेट रहना है. अगर मेरी जैसे आप यहाँ पर मिस्टेक कर दी तो ये t इक्वल टू 2 कभी नहीं आएगा, है ना. सो बी केयरफुल, है ना. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. सो फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 वी आर गिवन दैट m minus 1 upon 2 and equal to 1 minus m minus 2/3. This is given. Let me verify. m minus 1/2 equal to 1 minus, yes, we have to solve this. So here nothing is there, you can consider as a 1. Here we can also consider as a 1. So LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. So cross multiply. So it's a 2 into m, 2m minus 1 into, so it's a 1 into m minus 1 upon 2 ones are 2. माइनस साइन है तो ब्रैकेट में लिखना पड़ेगा. सो हियर LCM इज 3. सो 1 3s are 3. So it's a 3 minus 1 into again m minus 2 into bracket. Open this bracket. So this is 2m minus m. This minus 1 will become plus 1 divided by 2. This is equal to 3 minus m plus 2 डिवाइड बाई 3, है ना. ब्रैकेट के बाहर जब माइनस होगा और जो ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर जितने भी टर्म है उसकी सब साइन चेंज हो जाएगी. सो प्लस m इज माइनस m, माइनस 1 इज प्लस 1. हियर m इज माइनस m एंड माइनस 2 इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू प्लस 2. सो 2m minus m, it's a m plus 1/2 equal to 3 plus 2 5 minus m by 3. Now cross multiply. It's a 3 into m plus 1. This is equal to 2 into 5 minus m. इक्वल टू के अगेंस्ट क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ नहीं बचेगा. यहाँ पर इक्वल टू के एक साइड में क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो डिनोमिनेटर में आपको उसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके लिखना है. सो इट्स अ 3m plus 3 equal to 10 minus 2m. Taking this minus 2m on the left hand side. So it's a 3m plus 2m equal to 10 minus 3. So it's a 5m equal to 7. So m equal to 7/5. Improper fraction, it's a 1 integer 2/5 is the solution of this equation. Again check the answer. 7/5, है ना. वेरी गुड. चलो आंसर तो आया हमारा एक बार, है ना. कभी कभी आंसर ही नहीं आते हमारे, क्या करें. तो प्रैक्टिस करनी है. क्या करना है? प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस एंड प्रैक्टिस. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. हियर वी आर गिवन 3 into t minus 3, that is equal to 5 into 2t plus 1. 5 into 2t plus 1. सिंपल एक्सपांसन करो. इट्स अ 3t minus 9 इक्वल टू 5 2 ज़ा 10t प्लस 5. वेरिएबल वाले टर्म्स एक साइड में, कांस्टेंट टर्म्स दूसरी साइड में. सो टेकिंग दिस प्लस 5 ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. सो -5 10t minus 3t. So it's a minus 14 equal to 7t. So minus 14, 7 come into division, so equal to t. And there we are getting t equal to minus 2. T equal to minus 2 is the solution. Done. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 बाद में करते हैं. चलो. So students, pause the video and note it down. Now question number 8. So here we are given 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 equal to 0. You have to solve this equation. So for that you have to perform expansion, which is 15y minus 60 minus 2y plus 18 plus 5y plus 30 equal to 0. Now consider the terms with the variable y. So it's a 15y minus 2y plus 5y. So 15 plus 5, 20 minus 2y. So it's a 18y. And take all the terms on the right hand side. So it's a 60 minus 18 minus 30. So we are getting 18y equal to 60 minus 30. 30 minus 18, 12. So we are getting y equal to 12 by 18. 6 2s are 6 3s are. So value of y is 2 by 3 is the solution. Same sum. Verify the answer. Question number 8, 2 by 3. So 3 5s are expansion, 15z minus 3 7s are 21. Now minus sign is there, so it's a minus 2 9s are minus 18z minus minus plus 2 11s are 22 equal to 4 8s are 32z minus 13 4s are 52 minus 17. So keeping all the terms with variable on the right hand side and take all the constant terms on the left hand side. So it is minus 21 plus 22, 22 minus 21, so it's a 1, and this one plus 52 plus 17, and that is equal to 32z minus 15, or we can say 15 minus 18 minus 3, it will be plus 3z. Here 1 plus 17 18, so it's a 60 70, so 70 equal to 35z. So z equal to 70 by 35, 35 2s are 70. So our solution is z equal to 2. Z equal to 2 is the solution of this equation number 9. Equation number 9. Now here 0.25, so it's a 25 by 100, 4f minus 3. This is equal to 0.05, so it's again 5 by 100, and this is 10f minus 9. So what we can do, take this 100 on the numerator, 25 in the denominator. So this will be 4f minus 3 equal to 5 upon 100. This will go into numerator, so 100. This will come into denominator, so it's a 1 upon, and this will be 10f minus 9 as it is. So 100 cut, 5 5s are. So now take this 5 multiplication again. So 5, so it's a 4f minus 3 इक्वल टू, यहाँ पर सब हो गया, 5 इधर आ गया तो ये 1, और ये बचा वो 10f माइनस 9. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स. 100 डिवीजन में था तो न्यूमरेटर में गया, 25 न्यूमरेटर में है तो डिनोमिनेटर में आया, कटिंग किया, 5 बचा, फिर से उसको वापस मल्टीप्लिकेशन में लेके आए. So 4 5s are 20f minus 5 3s are 15 equal to 10f minus 9. Now taking this 10f and 20f on the same side, so 20f minus 10f equal to minus 9 plus 15. So this will be 10f 15 minus 9, which is 6. So our f is 6 by 10, that is nothing but the 3 by 5, or you can write f as a 0.6. So this is your exercise number 2.5. 5. So pause the video and note it down.